In this video, I'll show you how to create a remittance advice in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is purchases. Now, under purchases, you want to head over to the bottom and click on bills. And on the bills section, you want to make sure that you were on the fifth tab, which is paid. And once you were on the paid section, what you want to do is click on the bill in which you want to send a remittance advice. And from your bill, you want to scroll down, and above the amount due and below the total, you will see the option for less, and on the right hand side is payment. Now, if you click on payment, this should be a hyperlink, and that will take you to the transaction. And from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the top and right corner and click on the button for options. And below options, you will see the option to send a remittance. Now, in here, you can either view the remittance or send it. So, if you click on send remittance, in here, you can set the remittance advice to an email. So, let's say you want to add an email. And if you want to add multiple emails, what you can do is add a comma after the first email or a semicolon. Want to do that, you want to add another email. And once that's done, you want to head over to the bottom. And if you have a branding theme for your remittance, you can set it to unbranded or standard. And on the email template, you can set it as the basic. Now, on the subject, you want to add a subject for the remittance as well as send a message. Now, on the message section as well as the subject, you can also change it to how you want it to be. And at the bottom, if you also want to be sent a copy, then just simply click on the check mark. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right corner and click on send. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.